Nissan's American division celebrated a substantial achievement last year, delivering an impressive total of 899,000 vehicles, with the Nissan brand taking the lead, overshadowing the performance of its premium Infiniti division, which accounted for just under 65,000 sales. Surprisingly, the 2024 GT-R emerged as the most exotic asset in the lineup, capturing the attention of 390 new clients in 2023. While some might be quick to critique the Japanese automaker for the modest sales figure, it's essential to consider the contrasting success of the more affordable $42,000 2024 Z, which saw a notable increase with 1,771 deliveries. In stark contrast, the recently updated 2024 GT-R, priced at a substantial $121,000 and reaching up to $221,000 for the flagship GT-R Nismo, displayed astonishing year-over-year performance for both the compact Z and the Grand GT-R. The 2024 Z experienced a remarkable 573% surge in sales, benefiting from its status as a completely new product, marking its first full year of sales for the 7th generation. However, the GT-R, in its R35 iteration since December 2007, witnessed renewed interest following updates for the 2024 model year. Speculation circulates that this might be the final model year for the R35 GT-R, hinted by the celebratory GT-R 50th Anniversary Special Edition and the 2023 facelift, although this decision rests in the hands of Nissan's top executives. Amidst the uncertainty, digital car content creators in the imaginative realm, specifically from the Automegs Pro and Auto OMTV channels on YouTube, have envisioned distinct possibilities for the anticipated R36 greatness. Automegs Pro's Pixelmaster, likely with the assistance of AI software, crafted a dreamy version inspired by the stunning GT-R 50 Special Edition, connecting seamlessly with the past, present, and future of the GT-R legacy. Contrastingly, Auto OMTV's CGI expert drew inspiration from the Nissan Hyperforce concept within the Hyper series of prototypes introduced last year. Their vision for the R36 Nissan GT-R leans toward a more futuristic aesthetic, hinting at the possibility of a fully electric powertrain. The two interpretations present divergent yet captivating glimpses into the potential future of the GT-R lineage. Whether you prefer the GT-R 50-inspired version or the futuristic concept akin to a video game, the dream of the R36 Nissan GT-R Nismo continues to captivate automotive enthusiasts.